Assalamu alaikum students. From Dean Cambridge School System, I'm Hadia Jilani and today we are going to learn maths. Open your book students. It's our page number 2. Look at this students. What is this? What is this students? It's 1. It's 1. Look at this picture. What is this? What is this students? It's a dinosaur. It's a dinosaur. 1 dinosaur. 1 dinosaur. Look at there students. These are the spells of 1 and we have to learn them. What is this? It's O. It's O. The next one is N and the next is E. O N E. 1. 1 dinosaur. 1 dinosaur. Look at the next page students. It's our activity page and our activity is count and write. Count and write. We have to count the things shown in the picture and we have to write the number in these blanks. These blanks are already solved. In this circled apple, we have to write 1 in numeric form and in this blank we have to write the spells. What is this students? What is this? It's an elephant. It's an elephant. We will say 1 elephant. 1 elephant. Look at the next picture. It's a bus. It's a bus. And we have to write there 1 because in this picture there's only one bus. 1 bus. 1 bus. And in this blank we have to write the spells. We will write O N E. 1. O N E. 1. 1 bus. 1 bus. Look at the next picture. What is this students? It's an aeroplane. It's an aeroplane. And in this blank we will write 1 in numeric form. We have to write 1 in numeric form. And in this blank we will write the spells. What are the spells of 1 students? These are O N E. 1. O N E. 1. 1 aeroplane. 1 aeroplane. Okay students, our lecture is over and you will practice as much as